Perfect.
Alrighty guys, Matt, theSOmotorsports here. Johnny's right there.
What's up, guys?
This is our buddy's 2010 Mini Cooper here. He needs new spark plugs. He's got a misfire. So we're gonna do that for him today. We're in our makeshift booth here, so we hope it's not too noisy. We get the heater going, try and stay warm. We'll bring you guys along. Last filled this car up. As you can see, the oil thing is here. The extra oil spills into the plugs. Luckily it won't harm the engine when it drips in there. Alrighty, what are we doing here, Johnny?
Taking out spark plugs.
And what size was that socket, my friend?
Holy smokes, there's a lot of oil in there. 15.
So a 15 mil, take out your spark plugs, and don't trust random companies to do your oil change because they do a shitty job. Is that right?
Yep.
So we got some anti-seize to put on the threads so they don't stick in there. Here's the difference between the old spark plug and the new spark plug. As you can see, it was very worn out. Torque specs, I believe, are 20 foot-pounds for the Mini. So we're going to torque these to 20 foot-pounds once we get them in. Johnny is putting some of the anti-seize on there without getting it on the tip. Just the tip.
I don't put it on the tip, Matt.
No, you don't need to coat the thing. Sheesh. It's all over the tip. Look what you did.
Matthew. Oh, fell out.
That's fine, it's not my car.
Boom. Most of the oil was cleaned out. As you can see, there's still some in there. Obviously, that's not affecting anything, but a pain nonetheless. So now we're gonna push the coil packs back on and fire it up and see if we fixed our issue. If not, then our friend here is gonna need some new coil packs, but we'll let you know how that works out.
So we're getting a misfire on cylinder 4. We just count them 1, 2, 3, 4. So we want to chuck this coil pack, make sure this coil pack's working. So we're just gonna put one of the old spark plugs on, and we're just gonna ground it and see if it see some sparks.
As you can clearly hear, fixing the misfire didn't have to do with the spark plugs. So we believe this coil pack is dead. Johnny has a way to test just that.
Yeah, ready?
Yeah, so the coil pack is dead. So this cylinder currently...
You unplug this one, nothing happens.
Yeah, so this cylinder's needs a new coil pack. We're gonna get that for Matt ASAP. In the meantime, he's just gonna leave. He's got some new spark plugs, so that's what we need to fix. Alrighty, guys. We got the coil pack for Matt's Mini, so we're gonna put that in now in all of about 5 minutes. Trash.
Don't call them trash.
Well, there you go, guys. Let's see. 4 spark plugs and a coil pack, and we seem to have fixed Matt's misfire just fine. It was so cold out here, we managed to break these clips off the front, but it's still holding on, and it's got these screws, so it'll be fine. But there you go.
Peace out.
What's it? Facebook.com/theSOmotorsports.
YouTube. Facebook.com/theSOmotorsports.
theSOmotorsports@gmail.com, and Instagram
Pornhub.com.
at SOmotorsports, SO_motorsports.
And Pornhub.com.
Like, comment, share, favorite, subscribe. Alrighty, so we got Matt's car back together. We gave him a nice parting gift.